Look at this 2008 Dodge Ram 2500. Carfax has certified this Ram 2500 as having one owner. This Ram 2500 has just under 60,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Ram 2500 boasts a turbo engine, and has an automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include AM/FM stereo. Call 800-753-6343 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.